Hello everyone and welcome back to our time-sticking YouTube channel. My name is Jake as always, and today's video is going to be about some watches to look out for in 2020. So stick with us through this intro and we're going to be looking at some top pieces that have kicked off the year. That's right, with a fresh new year come fresh new releases from storied brands all over the watch industry. Whether one is a fan of luxury or everyday pragmatism, or both, there will be certainly plenty of pieces to choose from. Brands from Swatch to Patek Philippe, Seiko to Cartier, Longines to Gucci are all geared up for reimagining classic lines and or delivering something fresh. While other sites that are covering the subject have lists ranging up to 40 or more watches, we here at Time Sticking are going to keep things relatively brief here in this video. Ahead are a few selections from the swath of timepieces that are meant to hit shelves in the coming months. Our first watch on this list is one called the Skin Irony or Skin Black from Swatch. Now Swatch is the largest watch group in the world right now. With annual profits in the billions, their work in designing movements and acquiring brands is staggering. Their latest update to the brand is a little more simply stated than their overall presence on the wristwatch scene. Sporting a 5.8mm slim case, their slimmest to date, Swatch combined elements from their Skin and Irony collections. It's a clean, gender-neutral design from one of time-telling's finest. For around just $150, anyone can snag the simply stated Swatch. Though this line technically dropped late in 2019, it's the premier piece from Swatch moving into 2020. The next watch on our list is a Seiko Prospex watch. The model number on this watch is the LX-SNR031. Now, the full name of this piece is nearly as long as Seiko's legacy. We're of course kidding. But since the 1800s, Seiko has bolstered its watch division through a history wrought with destroyed factories and wartime production. Post-World War II, Japan's economy and technological development skyrocketed. Seiko was certainly not left behind in this regard. Their in-house builds have set new standards in watchmaking. Every watch has a unique price point that fits any budget. These elements have made Seiko a juggernaut in watchmaking. With nods back to some of their oldest dive watches, the latest Seiko Prospex LX is a rugged diver. Its design was co-created with Ken Okiyama, a supercar designer whose portfolio includes Ferrari. The watch itself has a titanium case, is fully dive capable, and is powered by an automatic movement with a 72-hour power reserve. It's an all-black beauty that has Seiko's history built into every tick. Coming in at approximately $5,300, it's one of Seiko's toughest standout pieces. 2020 is also going to see the release of Omega's 5th generation of Constellation watches. Omega introduced their Constellation series back in the 1950s. By the early 1980s, the look of the series was essentially solidified. Each Omega Constellation is slim and distinctly marked in its case design. While the overall look has not been incredibly altered since 1982, the latest 2020 releases of the Constellation Gents line offers colorful variety. Much akin to the 2018 update to the women's Constellation line, there are multiple colors available for the dial. Along with this, the option to choose rose gold, two-tone, or silver stainless steel on the case makes for further customization on these constellations. Tapered crocodile leather bands are available on specific models, if stainless steel doesn't suit one's taste. Omega's Constellation series has been entirely updated with their in-house caliber 8800 movement. It's not only beautifully decorated, it retains a 55-hour wind in its power reserve. While one can wear the watch as a personal piece, their availability for both men and women has made them a popular anniversary and couples gift. Omega's Constellation watches start at around $5,800 on their newer models. They not only make for a great personal piece, but also a fantastic couples arrangement. Now, as we mentioned earlier in today's video, we're keeping our list pretty brief today. So a quick blast of other timepieces to keep an eye out for in 2020 include Richard Mille's RM6101 Ultimate Edition, the Oris Akis Lake Baikal, a limited edition, is currently available for pre-order, and an update to the Tag Heuer Monaco, a time-sticking favorite. Breitling's Aviator 8 B01 Chronograph 43 Mosquito has a new release coming out, Longines 1832 Heritage Moon Phase is on its way, and a slew of Timex Heritage pieces, some of which sold out and are returning. With watchmaking having such a varied and diverse range of brands and pieces to choose from, there's a watch for everyone in 2020. While we've merely scratched the surface today, we'll likely be posting specific models as the year progresses. Furthermore, any watch, new or old, young or aging, can always use the TLC of regular maintenance. Whether one owns a Swatch or a Richard Mille, it's imperative to keep each movement fresh. Moving into 2020, let's all be prepared to keep time ticking along. Do you have a particular watch that you're getting excited for in 2020? Has it already released? Let us know in the comments section below. We always love to hear feedback about our subject. Wow, thanks again for watching our YouTube video today. If you really enjoyed it, we actually have a couple more videos available just right here and right there. On top of that, our entire channel is at your disposal, and if you subscribe by clicking the link that's right next to me, we'll give you the latest update on our most recent videos. So, thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you again.